Makiria ma ciumia ithatu hituku amemba 18 na kamiti ya gutwithania maciira thutha wa ithurano cia wamurani nimehitithirio ni Mucirithania munene bururi-ini Martha Koome. Martha Koome akiruguria kamiti ino muthenya wa umuthi.
I now officially declare the decentralized PPDT stations and the e-filing system is officially launched and officially ready for our use.
Koome ni atamburukitie uria mubango wa gutwithania ndũgamano thutha wa ithurano cia wamurani hamwe na githurano kinene kia mweri wa kanana ugutambio nginya magotiini ma kaunti mwanya mwanya.
Parties were traveling day and night to come to Nairobi to file their disputes, and this caused challenges in terms of accessibility of justice given the distance some litigants had to travel to Nairobi to be able to access the tribunal.
Mucirithania munene agitariria gitumi kinene gia gutamburukia motungata maya kaunti-ini mwanya mwanya niguo gutigirira macira maya ni matwithanio na njira ya waragania na naihenya toria kwahoteka.
With the decentralization of the PPDT to other regions outside Nairobi, we are sure that Kenyans can now access justice regarding political disputes without having to travel long distances to access justice in Nairobi. This will ensure that access to justice with respect to this category of disputes will be cost effective, it will also be expeditious and convenient to the parties.
Koome no atariirie makinya maria ruhonge rwa ucirithania rutacukitie uhoro-ini wigie uhuthiri wa rurenda rwa internet akihinyiriria aria mangikorwo na mateta matigutindikiririo kuoha thabari ndaya riu makiheo mweke wa gutengemania mateta mao rurenda-ini.
Our ICT officers to be on the standby to assist any person who will be in need or needs guidance or assistance on e-filing of their disputes. I assure Kenyans that the PPDT and the courts are ready and well prepared to handle any disputes arising from the political parties' primaries and other electoral disputes, including working beyond normal hours.
Kuringana na watho wa ciama, kamiti ino niyo ihokeirwo gutwithania ndũgamano gatagati ka amemba na ciama cia kiũteti, ndũgamano gatagati ga ciama, ndũgamano gatagati ka ahũranĩri kĩũmbe na ciama, na ndũgamano gatagati ka amemba a ngwatanĩro ĩmwe. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mũmbi wa Chege.